Hello, I'm Catherine Anaya, and you're watching the Social Television Network. I am joined today by David Shapiro, owner of David Shapiro Law, and we are talking today about insurance here in Arizona, specifically underinsured motorist coverage. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks,
we appreciate
Catherine.
it.
Thank you for having me.
So explain what underinsured motorist coverage is.
Underinsured motorist coverage, to put it in the most basic terms, is if you're injured in an accident and the other person has inadequate coverage to cover all of your bills and your claim, your pain and suffering, your loss of work, earnings, you then tap into your own policy, which will then provide coverage under your policy for that accident.
So why is it so critical that people have it?
Because you never know what another driver carries. So if you are injured, seriously injured in an accident, and you spend a month in the hospital, but the person who caused the accident, who's at fault, only carried $15,000, how are you going to obtain compensation for your pain and suffering, your medical bills, maybe future surgeries, loss of earnings? How are you going to pay for that or get compensation for that if the other driver only has $15,000? You need an alternative way to obtain compensation for your injuries, and the best and most effective way to do that is under your own policy.
Okay, so if somebody's calling their agent about their policy and this coverage specifically, what questions should they be asking?
So the first thing you want to do when you call your agent is ask, hey, do I have underinsured motorist coverage? If you do, ask your agent, how much? Will it cover me if I suffer a significant injury and the other party has maybe a minimum policy of $15,000.
Okay, great information, David Shapiro. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Catherine.
If you would like more legal information, you can click the link that we have provided or call the phone number right there on your screen. You're watching the Social Television Network.